Hey guys, okay, this is gonna be bad quality because I'm an idiot. I'm home for spring break. I brought my camera, but I didn't bring the charger and it was already dead. So whatever I film is now gonna have to be on my phone. I'm so sorry. So let's just get into it. This is the March Ipsy Unbagging. Yay! I'm so excited. So I did an add-on this month. I got the Huda beauty palette, so you pay extra money but it's a discounted price, and these are so in right now. So the first thing is this. I got this for I think $11, pretty sure it was 11, so Ipsy is $10 a month, and I got this total thing $22, and the original price of this palette is like $24 I believe, so 50% off. Yes please, it is worth it, and so many people use it. It's like I only heard good things about it. I got the Mauve Obsessions, this one. I'm so excited to use this. Oh. Guys, oh my god, so pretty. I wanted, I think, the other one, but it was sold out already, but I will definitely, Ipsy just started this new thing where they let you do add-ons and they're really good. The full-size products, you just pay the extra money. And like, this is a good deal. This for like $11, $12, worth it. I'm so happy I got it. I can't wait to use it. Everybody has been using it on their Instagram tutorials, and I'm like so excited. Guys, this is so pretty, and I will definitely be doing this again. Add-ons, amazing, thank you. And then we get into the actual contents of this bag. I really like this bag. This is what it is. It's it's a happy mood bag. And off she went to change the world. I'm all about the quotes, so it's kind of cute. Pink zipper, really good contrasting colors. I like the bag this month. So let's get into the contents of this. First thing I pull out is a purifying mud mask by Ahava. So it's Ahava. I pretend I know what these brands are pronounced like, but that's what it is. I like mud masks. I use the one weekly, as I always mention, a mask or a face mask, whatever. So I will be using that. Next I pull out is I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, new liquid lipstick. Yes, I've been really getting into lipsticks, and this will be a new one to add to my collection. Yup. Come out, come. Ooh, oh, dang it, I was hoping it was a color I didn't have. Okay, it's another red. I have a lot of red lipsticks. I actually gave one to my mom. She loves red lipsticks, but I Am Adaptable. But I can definitely use this during the spring, summer times, so that's nice. Always nice to have new lipsticks, right? Let me do a swatch. I'll do it on my hand. Okay, that's really nice. It's really, how do I twist that? It's really red. I like it. It's kind of darker red, so that's nice. Very nice. Thank you. I'm sorry I might be being a little quiet right now. I'll try to adjust the volume when I edit this. Oh, and then we have Skin on Skin BC Foundation Full Coverage. I feel like this is, oh, bruh. I could probably use this as a concealer, and I'd rather use it as a concealer because it's such a small quantity than a foundation. Never heard of this, but Yensa Color and Face, Skin on Skin, Color and Face, Color plus Face. Like, I need to adjust my color, what the heck? Not like on Ipsy. Yeah, I feel like I would use this as a concealer. Or highlighting, like under my eyes as a concealer. Okay, cool. And then we have Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. Ooh, let's see what this is. Let's see, let me see. Fudge. Okay. This is cute pink. Ooh. This is very nice. Oh. I don't think this is the type of highlighting powder I use. I use a goldeny shade, so let's see. Oh, it's kind of nice. I'm gonna put it right here. See if you can see it. I think I should try using it. I feel like I'd like it. If not, I could always use that like under my brow bone and stuff. It's cool. I like it. And then lastly, we have Morphe. Oh my god. I just like, when you get like actual brand, like nice high-end brand products, it's like, thank you. I love getting the Huda Beauty lipstick. Like, that's like my favorite product I've ever gotten from Ipsy, and I use it so much. Oh, it's Morphe bronzer. Blend the rules. I'm so happy. The only good bronzer I use when I do a full face is the Benefit Hoola one, and that's like the basic one. I can't wait to use this, guys. Wow. They definitely have been, Ipsy has been changing their stuff because I feel like people are getting disappointed in the products they were getting. So I really like that they're taking initiative and changing it. By the way, this isn't sponsored. It sounds like it is, but I've been subscribed to them. I love their products, so I just do this monthly. Morphe, and this is definitely a shade I would use. Thank you for not doing a random shade. I feel like I could use a little bit lighter, but I'll make it work. So, thank you. I don't know why I keep saying thank you like I paid for it. Thank you for giving me good products. Oh, I usually do this at the beginning. It's National Women's History Month. Ooh, okay. That's your pamphlet. And stuff about all my products. This is new. I feel like they don't usually do this. So that's cool. Which is why the quote, and she went to change the world for women's. Okay, now I'm going to rate these products. This is my own, so I'm just going to say 10 out of 10, thank you. And next we have Mud Mask, 5 out of 5. I do these out of 5 because Ipsy makes you do them. Definitely, because I use Mud Mask, so thank you. I need to stop saying thank you. Okay, next, I don't know. Foundation, a 2 out of 5. I don't care for it. It's just that it's such a little product. I don't use just tiny products. I don't know, there's no point to it. I'll use it as a concealer if I ever get to it. Yeah. 2 out of 5. And it's not even my shade. Lipstick, I'll give it a 5 out of 5. Yeah. Seems like a good product. I will use it. Dude, look at that. Like, whoa. Wow. Yeah, just a shade. I would want a different shade because I just have so many red lipsticks, but that's just because I just have them. Some nice other shades would be nice. Like a burnt orange. Love that right now. And then this, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. It's a good size product. The size is nice. The shade isn't. The quality seems nice. And I just wouldn't use this shade is what I'm saying. I can always try it, but still, not bad. So there's that. The Morphe bronzer, I will give it like a 5 out of 5. The brand, A1, A+. And the shade is good, and it's Morphe, and it's a bronzer. I don't usually get bronzers, so never have, I think. So I think, oh, and then I definitely liked the bag this month as well. I like it 5 out of 5. So that's about it for this Ipsy Unbagging, and I actually really liked this month's. It wasn't that disappointing, so that's always a good thing. And so sorry for the bad camera quality. Like, I'm an idiot. Literally, I was about to grab my camera. I'm like, hold up. This was dead when I last did my recording that I did previously, and I was like, I didn't bring the charger. So, there's that. But anyways, make sure you guys like, comment stuff below, and subscribe. Bye guys.